Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to create invoice in Google Sheet, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to create invoice in Google Sheet. So first of all, open this website, Google Sheet website. Now click on this down arrow here. Now you can see there are few template here and look for the invoice. In the work section, you can find this invoice. Just click over here. Now you can see there is a very simple and a very good looking invoice template. So now just customize this with your desire. Let's say I want to change this. I want to change my company name here. Now change your shop or your service or your business address and change your contact number here. Now let's say I want to change this size. I want to keep it 25. Then I don't like this here, so I will delete this. Now just invoice for name. So let's write here a name. And this is the invoice number. So if you want to keep this invoice number to here, then you can do that. To do that, you can see there is highlighted two columns, so we have to unmerge this, right? So by clicking here you can unmerge. Now click this and cut Ctrl X. So it's also in merge, so let's unmerge, and now Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Okay, this is the invoice number. So you can write the company name here. It's only applicable if your customer is a company. So then your customer's address right here. Now here is the product name, item 1. I'm just keeping like this, and you can see there's $200, $400, and it is already subtotal, you can see. And let's say I want to add a new one, so just click it and just drag it down, and you can see there is a new item. So item 3, there's the quantity for 4, and let's say it's for $300. You can see it's automatically calculated. So let's say you want to add a new row here. How to do that? Just click this row and click the right button of your mouse, and you can see there is option, one row above or below. Let's say I want to add above. Here it is, the new row created. So let's undo this. Now let's say you want to add a VAT or tax or any kind of fee, then you can do that. Let's say I want to add as a VAT. Let's say VAT is 5%, right? So you can write that VAT 5%. Now change this. It was written $100. So there is a function or formula you can just write here. Since it is a VAT, so it will be added. So let's do this. The formula is plus. So right here, plus 5% into which one? This one. Okay, so this is for G24. So right here G24 and hit enter. You can see 5% VAT is $90, and it's already added to this subtotal. So basically this is how you can easily create an invoice in Google Sheet. And after doing all of this thing, you can download this as a PDF, and after that you can print out it. Or if you want, then you can add this PDF with the Gmail and you can send to your customer. So basically this is how you can easily create invoice in Google Sheet. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.